In this video, I'm going to be coloring my hair and I'm doing this for the very first time, and for that I'm using this Garnier Nutrisse Permanent Hair Color in the shade 462 Sugar Beet. It's a deep berry burgundy. Last week I had a haircut video up and now it's time to color my hair. So if you're interested in watching how this color turns out on my black hair, please keep on watching. And let's get started. Let's take a look at what all things are there inside the box. So there is this oil which provides conditioning to the hair and prevents your hair from drying out. Then there is this developer bottle and there is this color cream, and the last thing that is there is the conditioner. And yes, there is an instruction manual and there are 2 gloves as well in the box. So you're supposed to empty the contents of the color cream and the oil that they have provided into the developer bottle. And this is just for one-time use. You cannot store it for another use. So make sure that you empty all the contents of both into the developer bottle. And then before we start to apply, do not forget to wear an old t-shirt, something that you would be okay with if the color goes on to the t-shirt. And the second most important point is just put your hair back and apply some oil around your forehead and ear area, because this is definitely going to get some color on. And if you don't apply oil or some kind of greasy cream on this area, your face and your ears will definitely get colored. So make sure you apply some kind of greasy thing on to your skin which is close to your hairline. And before we start, don't forget to put on your gloves. So I have my hand gloves on here, and since the bottle is open from the top, I'm just going to put a finger on top and shake the contents of the bottle really well so that everything inside gets really mixed well and I get a good result. At least I'm trying. I don't know how it'll turn out on my black hair, but I'm trying as much as possible to follow the instructions and see what happens at the end of it. So once I'm sure that the contents have mixed and combined well inside the bottle, I'm now going to use sectioning clips. You can also use hair clips which are available at home and section out your hair and take small sections at a time and apply the color directly from the bottle. The opening is really small. It's very easy to apply through the bottle itself. The nozzle is very small and narrow and it gives precise application. You don't need any brush, you don't need to see where it's going. You just apply it with the bottle. Take a little bit at a time in smaller sections and just rub it with your hands from the root to the tip. And that's all there is to it. I'm just going to keep sectioning my hair little by little and keep applying the product till it gets over from the bottle. There is a lot of product available. My hair is not very long, so I did finish the entire bottle because you cannot keep it for another use. They have written specifically that it is one-time use and the contents of the bottle may blast as well. So do not keep it for another use. Whatever is there in the bottle, just finish it in one go. So I applied till the product got over. But if you have long hair, I think it is going to be enough for a certain length, maybe till your waist. So there is enough in the bottle for one application, even for long hair. And finally, section by section, I have applied it through my entire hair length from root to the tip. And now I'm just going to put it up in a bun, hold it with a clip. And once I have my hair all up and clipped away, I'm just going to clean the color which has transferred onto my skin around the hairline. So you can see how much of the color has come onto my skin. Clean that up immediately. Do not wait for it to settle down. So I'm just going to clean it up and then wait for about 30 minutes. I think you can give it anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to wait till 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash off my hair and show you the result. So here is the result, and you can hardly see the color on my black hair. So if you want to apply this on your black hair, I think you will need to first lighten your hair color, and then you will be able to see the proper color on your hair. So basically it did not do anything for my black hair except for covering the grays, and I'm not very sure if it's because of this, but I am recently experiencing a lot of hair fall. So my hair did fall earlier as well, but I have noticed after applying this, and there has been just one change. I traveled in between to a place and came back, so I was suspecting that that was the root cause, but it still continues to fall a lot. So I'm not sure if this particular product did not suit me, so I am not very sure of how this has worked for me or not worked for me. So I filmed this a few weeks ago and I was delaying it a little because I wanted to see how permanent the color is, and I have seen a couple of grays in my hair again which were not there when I colored my hair. So I have spotted two hair strands which have turned gray. I have washed my hair a lot after that because of the virus. When I go out, I come back and I make sure I wash my hair with a shampoo, and I also apply conditioner, and I did use the conditioner that they provided in the box till it was over. So I'm not really sure if I would recommend this product to anyone, but again, the products work differently for different people. Maybe this did not work for me or for my hair, and maybe it might work for you, I don't know. So when I colored the hair for the first week, I was happy with it because it did a very good job of covering all the grays, and it did give a tinge of burgundy, especially when you see it under the sun. But apart from that, it did not do anything major for my hair. My hair did not dry out for sure, so it does not dry out your hair. But on the other side, as I said, I saw a lot of hair fall, which I am not very sure if I should associate with this or not. It may or may not have been because of this. There is nothing else that I've changed apart from this and traveling to another place and coming back for a week. But that again, even if the water did not suit me, my hair should have stopped falling at least after a week once I came back, and it's still falling. So these are some things that I wanted to highlight for you guys. So that was my honest review about the Garnier Nutrisse Creme color, and honestly I was really excited to try this out, and I was really happy that this will be a permanent color, even if it does not give me a burgundy color, which I was kind of sure that it will not. I at least was sure that it will be a permanent color and it will stay on, and my grays will not come back. But this turned out to be a disappointment, and I did spend a lot of money on this color. This kind of coverage for a month I could have got in less than probably 100 or 200 rupees. I spent way more on this thinking that it is a permanent color. So spend your money wisely. And I also wanted to recommend this to my mother, which I don't think I will now because I don't want her to experience hair fall or the gray hair coming back in a month's time. So that's it for today's video. I hope this review was helpful. Do give a thumbs up if it was, and also do share it with your friends and family because they might need to hear this or see this. And I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.